Adema, a very quick one. A follow-up to the case of the Imo State Commandant release onye organ harvester. Onye organ harvester. Onye omere okwasoro iko n'ike. Horo mata ya. Eme arrest. Buri a guy civil defense. Ya confess ya. Na we onye, you know. At the end of the day, the commandant, Imo Civil Defence, release the guy. A reporter to Tiger Base, either Brie from Civil Defence, Abia, and I say, when the Berano, Eduquesic release here. Eduquesim Bowl actually the guy, Abia. Here we hear Imo State Commandant of Civil Defence, Yukuga. Now, follow up. The lawyer to the lady has written to the Commissioner of Police, Imo State. You can see the letter there. CK Mbenkonye and Co. have written to the Commissioner of Police Imo State, the Commissioner of Police Imo State, Police Headquarters, so where Imo State, sir, please save Imolites. A case of conspiracy and release of organ harvester, a kidnapper, armed robber, and a confirmed rapist by Commandant Basil Igwebueze. The state commandant, NCDC, Imo State Command, Owerri. So this is the letter written to the Imo State Police Command on behalf of Mrs. Carlo Bessie by CK Mbenkonye and Co. You know, so these are the letters. The letters are there. 3 pages of letters are there. A whole lot of things were written there. So, we'll post it too. We post it so that you can zoom and read. You can zoom and read what exactly what really transpired. And so this is the first step we are taking. We are going to take another step, and that is going to court. We are going to take another step, and that is going to court. Obrona, the investigation, will take this matter up. And as we are taking it to court, we are also taking it to the national headquarters of Civil Defense. And we seek for the suspension of this commandant. I suspend the Godi and Ono. Then ya biazaronia no lipe. I suspend there ya biazaronia no lipe. Or ya potrai that guy. So these are the steps we are taking in conjunction with the chambers of CK Mbenkonye and also Nchekwando Ogbenye Foundation. So if you look at the last letter there, Soba is there, and Human Rights Commissioner Abuja has been written. Inspector General Police Abuja has been copied, and we are going to follow this thing up to the logical conclusion. We will not allow this to slide. I am in Imo State to make sure when organ harvesters na this state, because na this commandant my henda na emende mmadu. Ama monye obuko onye Igbo. Igwe bueza. Ama state oshiribia. But probably what I hear in Imo State. Omaho the fight we are fighting against these people. Omaho Ojibanyahu Onuba Akoko. He has not had confessions. He has not had people that escaped. He has not heard from the survivors. That is why Oji happy onye egide confirmed organ harvester. Ya balaga. Ya happy ya la. Oga. Iso kerelan sharp bala o. Himba kuragi wejoku. Iso kerelan sharp bala.